Manual shift scheduling using calendars, charts, and spreadsheets is inefficient and error-prone. That can negatively impact the employee experience, contributing to employee turnover and wasting managerial resources on employee training. ZoomShift tackles these issues head-on. This shift scheduling app improves team communication, reduces scheduling errors, and enhances the employee experience. Your employees will enjoy a work experience that mirrors the rest of their lives, seamless, digital, and mobile compatible. With the ZoomShift mobile app, scheduling is fast and easy. Employees can check their up-to-date schedule in real time. Updates are quick and easy. Clocking in and out can be done directly from their mobile device, and their timesheets are available for view by them and/or their manager, depending on preference. Shift swaps can take place directly from the mobile app. You can add a layer of managerial control or let employees handle them on their own. And time off requests can be submitted directly with schedules updating right away. By using ZoomShift, you'll eliminate scheduling errors and keep everyone on the same page. Thanks to ZoomShift's mobile capabilities, employees will enjoy more control over the scheduling process and experience greater job satisfaction. Scheduling won't be a hassle, and everyone can concentrate on doing their best work. ZoomShift is helping bring work scheduling into the digital age. With real-time schedules, an intuitive and easy-to-use mobile app, and tools to help employees take charge of their work, ZoomShift can help reduce human error, improve the employee experience, and lead to better, faster, and clearer communication among team members.